Tool lots, reliable equipment, fast.
So I'd like to look at some unique features to KALIFON's KR series refrigerators. So one is with their door seals. Their door seals are rated to last up to 5 years, but in the event that you need to replace the seal, you won't need any tools. So you simply pull back the seal and remove the entire seal and then replace by hand. So this is a nice feature, no tools necessary. Another unique feature to KALIFON is their load capacity of their shelves. So they're rated up to 155 pounds, and the height adjustment is adjustable as well. So this is easily done by removing your hinges here. These pop out and you can replace them anywhere along this railing system here. Another unique door feature is with their locking system. So it comes with 2 keys and you're able to lock the door into place, and this just prevents anyone from accessing the refrigerator during maybe non-operational hours. So another feature is the door activated switch. So what this switch does is when the door is opened, it's going to disengage, turn on the interior LED, and turn off the circulation fan. And this is to help preserve energy and also maintain the interior temperature of the refrigerator. So if the fan were to remain on, it would pull in warm air. So if you'd like to know more about this, please check us out at toollots.com.
Tool lots, reliable equipment,